looking into the... Oh, what them fish here? A big fish.
Oh, they look.
They're nice. They're pretty.
What's that?
They're pretty. You ever cook fish yet?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, put it in. I want to know what I'm not so good.
Should have seasoned them up, man.
Okay.
With this, the other kind of salt we make. Oh, this should have been done in the head.
Using rubber fish like this?
No, but I rub this up.
Oh, rubber like this?
Lightly.
What is it?
Rub it lightly. You put the fish by itself and give him little salt, not much. But I rub it and rub it too salt.
Okay. Rub in the belly too?
Just gently rub it. That should be done before him stays up. Not put too much funny.
So what must we do?
Put in the outside. Put only the outside then. Inside the bowl, you put the oil and up to him in the body.
Okay.
The thing is, and the pepper bush in there.
Okay.
My mother, when she fry fish, and them big, do the head part, and the head with it there, and the foot there, so.
Cut it off.
Just cut it in two and then big.
Okay.
Little like how you do this and it can hold all of it.
Yeah.
You should then cut it across, so cut the head, and then you do the tail.
Okay. That's it?
Very part then.
You got it.
Turn it over, let me see. This is too much things outside. showing at the belly while you do that. Big, yes. So it's on the belly. Yes. Move him up little. Make him get down in a bit. Turn him over the other side. Oh, he was over there. I look at get fat, don't Sophia get batty too. Ease him up so little bit. To make the tail.
Oh, okay.
No, not so long.
I'll push this part now.
Yes. Give me a smaller spoon. Press him down, make him feel good. Take time. Tail and forget bone too. Head just up the bone. Tail up the bone. And tail to draw and get fire too. Ease him up. You could get bigger frying pan. Wonder how that side I'll get. But this one get kind of too much. You want to turn him over, see how the other side look. See the other side of it color. Don't think here we get starch. The belly I get anything. turn round this part to you.
Okay.
All right, go on. You know, can't get in my belly. Want a bigger frying pan.
Turn up the fire or left the fire, sir?
Make it yes, turn him pan him back little.
Okay, sir.
But no make him get heat because he want in my body. It's too big. In the body full of oil.
And you know these are the smallest fish we can find.
Mm-hmm.
So the smallest fish we can find.
But this is not the right fish. If I'm to take time to turn him over. If I now get him in this hard. To get oil them and
Never climb down here.
mind careful.
Never can get the belly out of
It's a bigger frying pan. And all in tail. Tail can cut off this. So you have a scissors. Cut off this. No, this up. This up.
That's it.
Thinking fry. To me, cook already.
We don't do no.
Put it there so. Fish not hard to fry, you know.
Wait it?
Fish not hard to fry.
No.
Maybe you.
No.
Looking into those boxes.